Hello guys, I want to show you how simple office chair wheels could be different. Original wheels are noisy and cheap made, but those are made from heavy-duty polyurethane, like a rollerblade style. Brake system is unique. Set includes 5 wheels, enough for 1 chair. So entire support bracket and internal parts are made of high-grade steel, providing years of effortless rolling and durability. The heavy-duty design supports up to 650 pounds as a set of 5, the strongest chair wheels I've ever heard about. So look how fast and easy you may replace them. Listen, smooth, easy rolling, no squeaky sounds or noise of any kind, easy to operate the brake system, no sound at all. And listen to this, okay? Thank you.